student study at Patmore University. Today we are going to about the crop camel.
1. Variety selection. Variety is an important factor. We must clearly understand before planting. This crop is not season dependent and has a short growth period.
Soil preparation. Plant soil mixly and put it into the plant texture to ensure the production of weeds and insect in the soil.
Crop care maintenance. Water the plant twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. Required nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. It must be removed as they can negatively affect the crop. Otherwise, the plant may be attacked by diseases, fungi, bacteria, and pests.
Harvesting. The crop can be harvested in less than 1 month. The strict production. The plant must be left to flower and production fruits until they are fully mature before harvesting. After that, research and guide and store in mass or sealed bag and keep in the dye and keep in the dye. Cắt lại.
7.
After that, split and dye and store in mass and or sealed bag and dip in the dye plant free from moisture.
Finally, I would like to thank Joe is Village Ball. Thank watching this video.